I have to catch myself on this, and so I just share this. This is just a little shorty but a goodie. Um, I went to somebody's Facebook page that I'm very familiar with, and I got a big kick out of this when I mentioned to her, when you get into the Emerald Guardian soul contracts, salvation, salvage, missions, and redemption soul contracts. So this is how simple it is. Okay, so there are verbal contracts, just like there's nonverbal language that you can read by the energy that is the form and flow of the consciousness that is experiencing itself running that software. And so when you get into the language or the bits and bytes, when you understand the sequence, the order sequence of mathematics, geometrical, holographic, graphical user interface of cells, spirits that are in cells that are experiencing being on fire at the center point of a hub wheel. So the center point of a four-way intersection is equal distribution going four ways, L phase, right? And gated Ys, right? Threes, the gated Ys. Remember, one line going in, two going out, get an equal sound and light volume joined as one. The first hub wheel, right? Spinning. Man, all four of those lines are full, equally distributed in a four-way square crystal tetrahedron, Christosophia. And so this is where the words or the letters, the fire letters, get tricky. The word that I saw on our page was deactivating. I know what a D wave is. I know what a density wave is as a time wave, a variable speed in the frequency, right? Running a radio set, programmable radio waves, the spirit in the radio, the spirit in the waves, the spirit in the cells, cellular speed, cellular recording speed, the original EKKA, Ekasha, Hasha, Muaba, Muave, Aya, Kala, Kristala, Jadunia. The music, what the music feels like. And the music is healing us. The EKKA Vecca codes are healing us. So we're experiencing the higher octave. We're rebuilding our templates using the right original mathematical ratios, which are speed ratios, right? Between fire and ice, experiencing the full electromagnetic spectrum. When you're joined as one with fusion and fission, experiencing zero, whoa, that's a massive plasma whirlpool at the center point of the first eternal Christic star. Source, Godhead, Christosophia. So if in your cellular programming you think of deactivate, that's to put something out of commission. I'm not putting my cells out of commission. No, we're actually activating raw, like in raw food, raw codes. The original template codings, the original guidebook on how to operate a template and how to operate a vehicle, how to operate a planetary Mer Ka Ba vehicle, how to operate a universal and a galactic Mer Ka Ba vehicle, to translocate. So when I saw that deactivate, no, we're in very much activation mode. But if you don't catch that, you can see how the order sequence, when you experience, deactivate, that's reversal spin. So when you've zeroed out both the clocks, which is the clockwise and the counterclockwise, zeroed them out because the second hand is just going, it spun right off. And the other one spins the other direction equally as fast. That's called sharing equally. That's called equal distribution, just like the center point of a four-way flow diagram. Oh, flow rates. Yes, hydrologic, water logic, water table matrices, logic, the first log. Whoa, the original log. That's called a log scale. The scale, the mass. I know. That means you're clearing the network. That means the intensity of your fire, which is the intensity of the fire of the spirit that is in your cells, is clearing out all the machine code and running the activated codes, not deactivated codes, activated codes. If you're going to deactivate anything, it would be to deactivate machine code, alien machine code, and activate the right spin cycle. That's called resetting the atomic clocks back to zero. That's a perfect balance, which is equal distribution through all the lines of communication to experience EKKA Core, the EKKA Vecca worlds of the God worlds, which is native spirit, the first breath of living spirit that is experiencing eternal, absolute, pure love, equally distributed to all the cells, so all the cells are experiencing what we are, which is what love is. L. Go take a look at the insignia on the side of the fuselage of a German Messerschmitt Me 109. What do you see? A four-way intersection. The flow is going four ways from the center point because the center point of that spin is spinning so fast that each one of those channels, right, just like a line of communication, is experiencing the first hub, the first point, the first single point, or if you will, the first node, the first transmitter, the first stereo transmitter and receiver, a transceiver. Yeah, sending a signal. Hey, I'm here. I've always been here. I'm here forever. Log in. Oh, log in. Yeah, log in. Log into the first signal. A signet, the first sign of life. The first breath of Kamaloati.